What's up, Tech Fam? Yeah, today we are decoding a world that has a lot of noise around it, and that is called blockchain. But we are not talking about pumping coins today, but rather we are talking about a technology that makes cheating the system very, very impossible. Now, imagine a traditional bank ledger. It's a book kept inside the bank. If someone inside the bank wants to be funny, they could potentially change a 0 here or a name there. And that's what makes it a centralized system. Now, imagine a blockchain. It's like a group chat with 1 million people. If I send 10,000 naira to Kunle, everyone in that group chat gets a notification and they all write it down. If I try to go back later and say, oh, I sent only 5,000 naira to Kunle, the 999,999 people you say, no, that's not what you sent, and they'll say you're lying. Why does this matter to us in Nigeria in this big 2026? Well, look at our land titles. Imagine you buying a land and the C of O is on the blockchain. No more double selling of the same plot because the record is permanent and is being made public to everyone. Also, when you look at our voting system, imagine an election where every vote is a block on the chain. You can't stuff boxes, you can't steal boxes because the mathematics would not add up across the network. Now, looking at our supply chain, knowing that if that original designer bag or medicine is actually real by just simply scanning a code that traces it back to the factory. Now, blockchain is a technology of trust in a world that is full of deepfakes and scams. The blockchain is the only place where the truth is set in stone, or rather, you say set in codes. So next time you hear about blockchain, don't just think about Bitcoin. Think about transparency. Would you like a blockchain to handle our next elections? Yeah, I would love to see that. Would you love to see that? Let's talk about it in the comment.